Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Phantom Wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Binance, you want to go ahead and click withdraw option and withdraw crypto, and of course choose Ethereum and send via crypto network. After that, you will have to choose one of the networks. So I'm just gonna leave it like so now and go to Phantom Wallet. After you are on Phantom Wallet, you want to go ahead and click on Ethereum and choose an option, receive. As you can see, the network is Ethereum here. So go ahead, click on option receive. And now you will see your address, which you want to go ahead and copy. This address can only be used to receive compatible tokens. So go ahead and copy it. And on Binance, go ahead and paste this. Just like so. Now you're going to select the network. Of course, it's Ethereum, but as you can see, the fee is quite high. So make sure you know this, but that's pretty much it. You're going to enter the withdrawal amount and click withdraw. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.